Hello, my name is Pete Pizzatello. I am the Director of Product Marketing at Cast Software. Thank you for joining us today for our webcast, the Bank of New York Mellon's quest to improve structural quality of applications. So today our speaker is Steve Iannuzzi. He is the Vice President at the Bank of New York Mellon in the Financial Markets and Treasury Services Division. He's the delivery manager and business technical architect responsible for managing the delivery of high-performance systems. He contributes to the enterprise architecture as well. He is responsible for ensuring quality and strategic technical architectures is delivered as part of every solution. Welcome, Steve. We're pleased you could join us today, and we're looking forward to your presentation.
Thank you. Good day, everybody. As I said, I'm Steve Iannuzzi, Vice President at the Bank of New York Mellon. I am responsible for my division's architecture as well as play a contributing role at the enterprise. My goal with good architecture is quality and strategic solutions. Design once, win on delivery many times. I am also not a paper architect. I jump in, manage, code. I get all the hot projects, and I play a pivotal role in completing these things. And as my wife knows, and as you see my last point, I get lost all the time hiking, even with the GPS. My poor wife. Okay, so the agenda for today. We'll cover the why we do things and how we got there. So these are the bullet points. I'm not going to read them to you. So, Bank of New York Mellon, this is the obligatory marketing slide. You can read it. But the key takeaways here, we are a big company, a very big company, with big company and financial institution challenges around IT projects. I work for a department called Alternative Broker-Dealer Services. And we're not atypical from normal IT organizations. There's no surprises here. We're an organization that runs around the clock with numerous support for IT and shared infrastructures. Our project management team has a real strong focus on delivering and adapting to our clients' needs, and what I call making the three taskmasters happy. How do I ensure that my sponsor stakeholders are fine with what we're doing? The day-to-day business operation folks are always, the forgotten child in most projects. And then how do I keep, my IT goals in perspective? Our approach has always been, we take an Agile and a Nimble, project development. Although this gives everyone a bellyache, but it's a fact of life, and we need to embrace it. How do I make corrections and changes to my projects early and often? We need to measure these qualities of these technical deliverables by projects, by teams, across the enterprise, early and often. And then, as the topic of this webcast is, what is structural quality? It's just like it sounds. How do I ensure my foundations are sound, inspected on a regular basis, and we measure it? So what are the motivations? The key motivation, as with everything, is a paycheck, right? And the standard mantra is, faster, better, and cheaper. We need to deliver working solutions, sometimes weekly, and be able to change directions immediately to stay competitive. Our development process is evolving into a dynamic pool of resources. We no longer have the trusted hero coder, but a cloud of talent. We need to get these teams productive very quickly, and we need to ensure quality is not compromised. And we need to be realistic. Software systems have defects. Yes, I said it. And how do I know we are doing well at any point in the life cycle? How do I learn from our past experience? How do I encourage best practices? At the end of the day, I need to sleep, right? We need to eliminate late surprises in delivery. And a big challenge is how do I make this a living process for the teams? Why would the team want more oversight? We already have enough paper policy and practices that are not read. So we need to make it continuous and part of the culture.